got on in Palestine. They're riding back to Palestine.
Oh.
The last bunch.
Oh, okay.
That whole bunch got on in Palestine.
That's cool that they let him see. There he is. Hi, Bob.
Hey. SP 745. For whose license plate is that? Oh, John. John. Hey, John. Smile, John. This is it.
Hi, welcome. Here's it. He's gonna sing. Thank you.
All right.
So, for those of you who don't know what I do a lot of story songs, railroad songs, hobo songs, cowboy songs, miscellaneous songs. I do have some CDs available. For those of you who might like to do some early Christmas shopping. As I listen for the whistle, lie awake and wait. I wish the railroad didn't run so near, for the rattle and the clatter of that old fast freight keeps a making music in my ear. Go bomb again, go bomb again. Hear the whistle blow, hear the whistle blow. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. The wheels are singing to the railroad track. Well, if you go, you can't come back. If you go, you can't come back. If you go, you can't come back. Well, I wouldn't give. I lived up in Amarillo in the 70s. And at that time, there was a big old steam engine on a piece of track on display outside the Santa Fe Depot, the 5000. She was a 210-4 like the 610 is over in Palestine. Well, I used to get down and look at that old engine and talk to a few people that were employees of the Santa Fe, and they told me quite a bit about her history. But she'd been donated to the city of Amarillo in 1957 for display, and there she sat until, I guess, along in the 1980s or into the 90s, I guess, they moved her to another location. But long before that, I had written this song. She stands by the depot, this lady in black, and she knows that her life's work is through. She is silent and cold, standing there in the weather, remembering the ghosts of her youth. She came from back east when first she was new, the biggest engine we had ever seen, steaming down the main line right of the Santa Fe. This lady they called Madam Queen. On a freight train headed west, she'd eyeball out of town, and the pounding of her drivers shook the ground. Rolling down the track, 80 freight cars at her back, and her whistle made a well-remembered sound. In war and peace she did her share to keep our country strong, rolled oil and steel and lumber on its way, took the soldiers to the battle, brought the cattle from the plains, 1,000,000 miles and more she rode, they say. Like any good woman, oh, she had a mind all her own. She did us all a good job in her time. Till the diesels came in and her fate it was decided. She came to the end of her line. Now she stands by the depot, this lady in black, and she knows that her life's work is through. She's silent and cold, standing there in the weather, remembering the ghosts of her youth. And I wish you could have seen Madam Queen. Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 50 restless riders, 3 conductors, 25 sacks of mail. Not along the southbound RC, the train pulls out of Kankakee. Roads so long past houses, farms and fields, passing trains that had no name, graveyards full of old granddad, graveyards of the rusted automobiles. Good morning, America, how are you? Hey, won't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm on a train to call the city of New Orleans, and I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Feeling the cars with an old man in the mud. Baby, you know there ain't no one keeping the score. Pass the paper bag that holds them all. Feeling the wheels are rumbling beneath the floor. Sons of lonely boys and sons of engineers ride their daddy's magic carpet made of cheese. Days full of restless, dreams are full of memories, the echoes of freight trains. Good morning, America, how are you? Hey, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm on a train they call the city of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. It's nighttime on the city of New Orleans, changing cars in Memphis, Tennessee. Halfway home we'll be there by morning. Through the Mississippi darkness rolling down to the sea. All the towns and people sing the 882 battery. Steel rails still ain't heard the news. Mamas with babes rocking to that gentle beat, and the rhythm of the race is all they beat. Good morning, America, how are you? Hey, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm on a train they call the city of New Orleans, and I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. It's twilight on the city of New Orleans. Talk about your pocket full of friends. Say we're halfway home and we'll be there by morning. Go tomorrow, waiting around the bend, singing good night, America.
city of New Orleans. And I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Good morning, America, how are you? Don't you know me, I'm your native son. I'm the train we call the city of New Orleans. And I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. And I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done.
You want to steer him out of here?
Will it bring my guitar? I've heard good.
You know the lyric. You know the lyrics.
No, I don't know the lyrics to
You
it.
know the tune. Wreck of the old 97.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
Which key we gotta do it
It doesn't matter.
As long as you two are in the same key,
Drop the extent.
I can be different. It doesn't matter. Well, old mighty is a feller what leans out the window of his car with a camera in each hand, taking hundreds of pictures that all look about the same as he chases choo-choo trains across the land. Well, the foamers, they fly in the bottom and with flash from all across the USA. When the Cougars and cold take her to the Rio Grande, sends a pair of their old steamers that away. Oh, Festus J. Brockjaw came a-foaming over Cumbres, but them Smoky was thick as flea. They smashed both his cameras and tossed him in the pokey when they caught him steering with his knee. So ladies, if your man is a foamer with gigabytes to burn, don't let him drive alone from Agnito down to Chama. He'll get busted and never return.